Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In this video we are going to learn about how to upload the photos through automation using Python. We already seen so many automation videos regarding Instagram. This video is also under the category of Instagram automation. If you want to know about other Instagram automation projects, kindly check the I button for the complete automation playlist that I created. Hopefully it's a good content. You can learn so many new things regarding Selenium and other libraries. In this video we are going to install one Python package that is named as Instabot. By using this library we can easily do the automation task on the Instagram media platform with minimum number of codes. Before starting this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Let's start this video. First of all, you need to install the Instabot library on your machine. For that, open your terminal and type pip3 install Instabot. Next, open your editor. From the Instabot package, you need to import the bot library. And next, initialize the object called as bot by using this variable. The first part is you need to log in to your Instagram account. So initiate bot login object. In this object you need to pass two parameters. The first one is your username and second one is the password. These are the required parameters for the login purposes. Next we are going to upload one photo to our newsfeed. So create a object called as bot upload photo, and in this object you need to pass two parameters. The first parameter is your photo. Inside the brackets you need to mention your path of your photo that you want to upload and declare another parameter called as caption. Here you can type your captions. I just type thanks for Python. So that's all about the code. Let's run the program and you can see that our program did well. That's all about this quick automation video. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and share for more interesting scripts in Python. Thanks for watching and thank you. See you on next video.